Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. I am back with another video in our ways to make money selling in 2024. As always, let's go ahead and get into the video. I'm going to use my print-on-demand framework. We're going to go from idea, research, platform, product, and design. And the idea today is to develop a line of custom design event merchandise, including but not limited to printed wedding favors, party decors, and event souvenirs. So my idea today is to create some type of personalized event balloons for parties, family reunions, and more. The list can absolutely go on with this. This can become something that you add for people who are already in the balloon industry, and you can create these custom balloons for them, or you can create them for different birthday parties on Etsy, etc. The platform we'll be using today is T-Launch. And the product we're going to be using is their balloon. So this is like the balloons you could get from the dollar store, Walmart, and things like that. I created a simple design in Canva, which is not showing, but as you guys have witnessed, I don't know what is going on with my Canva. I don't know why every time I get to this page, the design does not want to show up, but I am not going to stress myself out. So here is the final mock-up. Basically, I created like a teddy bear balloon, rose pink type of design, and it just says welcoming baby Amanda on it. Super cute. This could be a custom balloon that you could create for a friend who just had a baby or for baby shower decor. And as always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and come back tomorrow for more ways to make money selling in 2024. Bye.